Hey Fast Trackers, happy Friday. Great first week to the course. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and give you some announcements and some feedback as to what's been happening. So far, great questions in the Q&A. Most of you guys have been asking just phenomenal questions. I love it. Keep those up, keep those coming. It's a great discussion, and if you want to jump in like you guys are, it's wide open. Don't wait for me to answer anything. Even though I read everything, don't feel that you have to wait for the official answer per se. The assessment placement test, overall, really impressed with the results here, guys. Even if you did like kind of a 60-61, and I know a few of you have been like, kind of meh about your results, keep in mind that most people forget how to do basic math, algebra, and arithmetic. So you're no different than anyone else. If you don't use the stuff, you lose the stuff. So definitely, I see no real issue with any of the placement assessments. If you're in this course, you deserve to be in this course, and I think you're going to do fine from a mathematical level standpoint. So this week and next week, I want you to complete P1, P2, P3, and P4 in the homeworks, and then we have a pretest. There's 2 attempts on the pretest, and the questions in the pretest, A, there are more of them than the test, and B, they are of a higher difficulty than the test. Okay, so what I want you to do is complete all the homework. Should be to 100% really, because you have infinite tries on the homework. Then do your pretest. Do your first attempt, see how it goes. If you make probably like a 70, 80, you're going to rock the test. You're totally going to do fine. But you do have 2 attempts on the pretest. So if you don't do as well as you'd like on the pretest, if you fail the pretest outright, then what I want you to do is review your results. I'm going to post a link to another video with this post, and that's going to show you how to review all your mistakes. Basically, you can go through, you can see what you put in, you can see what the correct answer is, and then all the tools in My Math Lab are there. Help me solve this, view an example, etc., etc. So you can really go through, learn from your mistakes, and then if you like, do the pretest again a second time. Now what happens for your grades, of course your pretests are marked. I take the highest of the 2 attempts. So if you get an 80 and you're happy, great, move on with your life. If you get a 70 and you really want to try for a 90 or a 95, that's awesome. I'll take a 95 for your mark. Okay? Once you're ready, once you've passed the pretest and you're happy with your mark, go ahead and take the take-home test. This has to be done at home or wherever you're comfortable. It is a 2-hour time limit. It has to be done in one shot, so don't get interrupted, don't walk away from it, don't close it and come back later. Make sure you have 2 hours of time to do the test. Probably won't take you 2 hours though. And basically from there, that's it. Okay, take your time. Now on the test, there's fewer questions than the pretest, and they're of a lower difficulty. Doesn't mean they're easy, and it doesn't mean that they're all kind of just repetition. It's none of them are going to be the exact same as the homework. You might have to think on a few. There'll be some critical thinking, but if you know your stuff, if you have mastered the concepts in Unit 1 so far, you're going to do fine on the test. And when you're done the Unit 1 test, don't wait for me. There's no celebration here. Just jump right in, keep watching the next videos, and then do the homework for Unit 2, and just keep rolling like that. Okay, so again, if you have any questions or problems, definitely reach out. Let me know even over the weekend. Keep up the great work, though. Everyone's doing awesome in this class, and I'll probably update you again hopefully next Friday. Okay, enjoy your weekend. Keep up the great work.